Welcome to this tutorial on how to refresh your back office in Unity. If you have created menu items on Enterprise, but it is not showing on the terminal yet, just by following these steps, you will be guided through the process. Step 1. Open the Springboard menu. Look at the top left corner of your screen where you will see 3 lines. Click on these lines to open the Springboard menu options. You will be prompted to enter your password or scan your fingerprint to proceed. Please keep in mind that you need to have the necessary access available on your selected designation. Step 2. Access system support. Once the Springboard menu opens, you will see several operation options. Click on the System Support option to continue. Step 3. Refresh back-office data. This will open a screen with various support options. Look for the Refresh Back-Office Data button and click on it. This action will fetch and refresh the data, thus syncing any back-office data with your point of sale. You have now successfully refreshed your back office on Unity.